Looking to transition from clarinet to bass clarinet? I'm Amy Chambers, bass clarinet instructor, and I'm here to help. In this 4-part series, we'll cover equipment, assembly, playing posture, and embouchure. Bass clarinet is an entirely different beast, so we need to approach it differently. Band directors, it's tempting to just hand over a bass clarinet from storage and tell your student that it's the same as clarinet, but there's a little more to it. I'll share a few tips that will help set up new bass clarinetists for success. Here's my take on who might be a good fit for bass clarinet. It's best to choose students who have a solid start on clarinet and can easily play over the break. Generally, I would recommend choosing strong, independent players who play with a big, confident sound. Your bass clarinetist doesn't need to be your best clarinet student, but they also shouldn't be your worst. First, make sure the bass clarinet is in good working order. School bass clarinets are infamous for taking years of use and abuse. Even a key that is slightly bent or a pad that is not quite sealing can render entire groups of notes unplayable, creating a really frustrating experience for everyone. Second, make sure your bass clarinet has a peg that doesn't slip and the right size neck strap. That's right, you'll need both. Finally, I usually start new bass clarinetists on 2.5 reeds. A good quality mouthpiece makes a big difference too, but that's a whole other conversation. Be sure you have a bass clarinet swab too. A swab for a clarinet is just too small. Now you are ready to get started on bass clarinet. Be sure to check out the next mini lessons on assembly, playing posture, and embouchure. Happy bass clarinetting!